What's up, guys, and welcome back to Kobe Entertainment. The news that is coming in today, 30 October 2024, is that the King KaZwelithini is well after his convoy was involved in a minor accident in northern KwaZulu-Natal late yesterday. The Zulu King's traditional prime minister says the king will today continue with his duties by opening the Princess Mall just outside the town. However, according to an eyewitness, the King's Range Rover collided with a VW Polo, which is owned by a local municipality, and skidded off the road and ended up landing on a farm on the side of the P34. His office has confirmed that he is unharmed at all. Some people online are commenting that he was speeding and stuff. Nobody knows exactly, but this is what some people are saying. Why was he speeding? Where was he rushing to? So this is the news that happened today. Too much to think in the comment section. I'll catch you guys on the next one.